Hello everyone, I hope you're well. Today we're gonna learn together about media audio and audio visual. And here we are. First, Aditya Hermawan, Alif Noval, Farid Alfarizi, Fauzan Rahmatullah, Firman Aziz, Ilham Dwi Wahyudin, Khairunisa, Saiful Fatah, and Ulfa Nur Azizah. Okay, next. First reader, Aditya Hermawan.
Definition and types of audio media. The definition of audio media in learning is intended as material that contains messages in the form of auditive or vocal cords or LPs, which can stimulate students' thoughts, feelings, attention, and willingness so that learning occurs. Next. Utilization of an audio media in learning. Number one, learning music literary or rhyme reading and documentation activities. Number two, learning foreign languages, whether audio or audio visual. Number three, learning through radio or educational radio. Number four, learning packages for various types of material which allow students to practice their interpretive power in a subject.
Okay, next reader, Alif Noval.
Several types of audio media. There are radio, sound recording, telephone, and language laboratory. Characteristic of audio media. Audio media has general characteristic relate to all skill training, activities in aspects of listening skills, such as concentration and maintaining focus, follow directions, in use to train student, analytic power of what they heard, acquisition of meaning from a context, separate relevant and irrelevant words or information, and remembering and rehearsing ideas of parts of the story they heard.
Okay, next Farid Alfaridi. Okay, maybe Farid, we can skip. Oh, okay, let's go.
Okay. Media audio. Step for using audio media in learning. Audio media can be used with steps. First, preparatory step. A. Preparation in planning. B. Give direction. C. Take into account the target group. D. Try to keep the target must be in a state of readiness. E. Check the equipment to be used. Second, presentation step. A. Present in a timely. B. Organize the situation of the room according to the needs and desires of the learning. C. Encourage you to start listening and start concentrating on the problem. And third, follow up is a step to make correction and correction in a direct manner to activate this. Okay, next. Development of learning audio media. The development of audio media is the same as other media, which broadly includes planning activities, setting goals, analyzing the state of goals, determining material, format to be used, and writing scripts, production activities, recording all material, and evaluation activities, assessing, program, and revising.
Okay,
Next.
Development of learning audio media. Recording activities. Recording activities can be used as a tool for learning experiences, and the results of activities are used as an evaluation tool. These types of activities can be selected from the following activities. A. Self-recording. B. Repeated recording activities on impersonation activities. C. The practice of composing and uniting several selected materials and even by adding self-composed material. D. Recording and selecting material. E. Recording as a planning activity and practicing. F. Audio recording exercises that are synchronous of a visual nature. G. Recordings can be used to practice performance in speech or speech. H. The activity of recording or moving recording materials. I. Recording as an exercise in sound recording that is good and original and clear. Audio visual.
Okay, next, Ilham Dwi Wahyudin. You can read it.
Definition and type of audiovisual media. Audiovisual media is a set of media that simultaneously can display image and sound in time at the same time, which contain learning message media. This learning has more than one component, so that is in integration of several elements, so that is can displaying sound and moving image simultaneously has been planned carefully, systematical and logical in accordance with the goals and the level of readiness of students who receive it. Some of the clear audiovisual media include the following. Mentioned here are number 1, television, number 2, VTR, video tape recorder, number 3, VCD, video compact disc, number 4, DVD, digital versatile disc, number 5, movies. Next, characteristic of audiovisual media. The advantage of audiovisual media. A. By using video, voice, deceleration or not, we can resolve certain movement. B. With video, student performance can be immediately reviewed for criticism. C. By using certain effect, the learning process and the entertainment flow of the presentation can be strengthened. D. You will get the complete content and structure of the lesson or practice material, which can be used interactively.
Okay, next, Koironisa.
Characteristic of audiovisual media, the advantage of audiovisual media, information that can be present simultaneously at the same time in different location classes. F, and an independent learning activity where students learn at their own pace and the design. Next. The limitation of audiovisual media. A, when it is to be used, video equipment must of course be available at the point of use and must match the size and format of the Pika video that will be used. B, no scripts or videos, easy work and time. C, video production costs are very high and few people can afford it. D, if the image on the Pika video is transferred to the film, the result is pure. E, the small monitor screen will limit the number of observation except for network monitors and augment video estimation system. F, the number of fonts in graphic for video is limited, i.e. half of the number of graphics fonts for movies or still image. G, if you use a color graphics on a black and white TV, be very careful.
Okay, next, Saiful Fatah, you can read it.
Okay, in particular, the advantage and disadvantages of audiovisual media can be divided into groups, namely television and film, VTL, VCD, or DVD. The two groups will be discussed in the following simple way. Move. Television and advantage and disadvantage. First, the TV can receive, use, and modify or restrict all the other forms of media. Second, TV is an interesting medium, modern and always ready to be accepted by children. Third, TV can provide the full support of the audience. Fourth, the TV has the reality of movie, but also has another advantage, which is proximity. Next, television advance and disadvantage. Fifth, it is direct and real. Sixth, the class horizon can be wide with TV. Seven, we can impress the knowledge and ability of teachers teaching. Next.
Okay, next, Ulfa, you can read it.
Weakness of television. Number one.
Already, guys.
Number one, TV sets are relatively
Hello.
expensive. Weakness of television. Number one, TV sets are relatively expensive. Number two, the nature of the communication is only one way. Number three, if it will be used in broadcast class and school timetables are often difficult to adjust. 4. Program outside the control of the teacher. 5. The size of the screen image is relatively small compared to the film. Next. Advantage of film or FTR or FCD or DVD. A. Can attract attention. B. With video tape recorder, like number of viewers, can get information from expert or specialists. C. Demonstration that are difficult to prepare and record beforehand, so that when teaching, the teacher can direct attention to the presentation. D. Save time and recording can be played over and over again. E. The camera can take a closer look at moving objects or dangerous objects such as the tiger. F. The loudness and weakness of the existing voice can be adjusted if the command will be inserted to be heard. G. Ordinary projection images are frozen for close inspection. H. The room that need to be dark while watching it. Weakness of film or VTR or VCD or DVD. A. The audience attention is difficult to master. Their participation is rarely practiced. B. The one-way nature of communication must be used with seeking other form of feedback. C. Less able to display the details of the object that is present perfectly. D. Requires expensive and complex equipment. Next, audiovisual media development components. In making audiovisual learning media, there are several components. First one, script. Second, director. Third, cameraman. Fourth, movie player. Fifth, a set of tools for film recording and editing.
Okay, step to use audiovisual media in learning. Preparation step. First, preparation in planning. B, giving direction. C, take into account the target group. D, make sure the target is ready. E, check the equipment to be used. And then presentation step. A, presentation in a timely. B, set the situation of the room. C, give an encouragement to start listening and start concentrating on the problems. And then follow up is a step to make correction and improvement by ordering to activities, both relative and preparation step and activities contained in the recited step. Okay, thanks. That's it. We are presentation today. I hope you're listening and take advantage of this presentation. Okay, that's it all. Thank you.